To create videos without any video editing skills, you need to follow these steps. First, go to your browser and type Fliki.ai. Click on the first link you see. Create an account. After creating the account, click on the tab on the top of your screen on the right that says New File. Type the name of the title you want to give your video and then click on Create. Then open another tab and open Chatgpt. Write down the topic you want the idea for and ask Chat to write a script for you. Copy the script and paste it on Fliki by clicking on the plus, also known as the addition sign. By clicking on the video icon on the right, you can choose your own videos or the existing stock videos. Choose the file and click on it. You can also change the audio by clicking on the name of the narrator and choose the one that you like. You can change the voice styles, gender, dialect, and language. Click on Select and Apply on all sections to apply the voice on all the sections. You can play and view the videos that Fliki has automatically chosen if you want to change the video. To change the settings, click on File Settings and choose the layout, font, and how you want the subtitles to be displayed. After being satisfied, click on Export and download the file you just created. Congratulations, you just created your own video with the help of these two AI tools without any experience at all.